Good evening, everybody. I'm here with Elena.
Right here.
And we're going to be teaching you guys how to do the Elkonin boxes. You need to erase your board. So the first thing we're going to look at is on the kids' drives. So when they get on their Google Drive, which is the icon with the little triangle, they're going to look over to the far right hand corner where they see this square made up of like an array, and they're going to click on it, and then they're going to click on the Google Classroom icon. And once they click on the Google Classroom icon, they're going to click on Elkonin boxes, and Miss Ward or I are going to invite all the students to it who need this as an intervention. Next, they're going to click on I've given directions for the Elkonin boxes. It just says, open the Elkonin boxes activity, say the sound as you tap out each sound, write the word on your whiteboard, blend the sounds to say the whole word. So one thing that I found is that when I first did this, it wasn't working on my son's Chromebook, so I had to download the PowerPoint app. So I'm thinking we may have to do that on some of the kiddos who are using their Chromebooks, and we'll see if that works. After we do that, you click on it and you open it in slides. Open in a new window. And my Wi-Fi is a little slow, so sorry. And then it'll say open with Google Slides. And once you do that, you're going to start at the first slide. You need to go to View, Present. So you want it in present mode. And you click on it just to start it. Doesn't matter. And then at the main menu, you're going to tell your kids which ones to start with. You probably want to start with the short A. They can do chips, where a yellow chip will appear whenever they click on the box, or they can do letters. I'm going to let Elena do the letters, and then she could learn how to spell the words too. So Elena, go ahead and show them how you're going to do this. Sorry for the jumpy computer. So this is a cat. All right, click on it, Elena, and say the sound loud so they can hear it. Okay, next one. You don't need to click it so hard. Stop. Okay, and that's cat. I promise it works. I don't know. I think it's just Eli's mouse pad is a little touchy. So now she's writing the word cat. Okay, Elena, do the next word. So she's going to click on the arrow. Okay, click on the arrow.